Hi, Giana. It's Miss Ennis here. I just wanted to send you a video to tell you that I'm thinking of you. Your mommy sent me all your work from last week, so I wanted to give you some feedback. So I was looking at this piece of writing, and it says, "We are having a good day today. Me and my brother are having so much fun today." Oh, I'm glad to hear that you are having fun. Maybe it looks like you were at the beach or enjoying some outside time. I like how you even gave your son a face. So, Gianna, for next time, what I'd like you to work on is making sure your letters are being formed the way that we would make them during phonics time. So, double check that you're definitely taking your time and making your letters touch each line that they're supposed to. I really like how you added a punctuation mark to the end of your sentence. And it looks like you've even got a capital letter there to start your sentence. Nice work, Gianna. Another piece of writing. My Gigi gave me my favorite bear. I love my Gigi because she cooks us food and plays with us. Aw, Gigi must be your name for a mom. That's what I call my grandma. And I love that you enjoy being with your Gigi because my mom is one of my favorite people and she cooks some really good food too. So I loved how you told me not just that she gave you her favorite bear, but why you love spending time with your Gigi. This made Miss Ennis's heart happy. I love how you drew the cupcakes. This is a great strategy to solve an addition problem. You wrote your numbers to match your drawing. You've got a plus sign, you've got an equal sign, all parts of a really good addition equation. And you wrote me a sentence to match. Whew, great first grade work, Gianna. I am so proud of you. Harry the Dirty Dog, beginning, middle, and end. And you drew a sheet that looks just like the way we do beginning, middle, and end in school. I thought that was just so clever. So you told me what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of the story. Yeah, looks good. So did you enjoy reading Harry the Dirty Dog? I like that story a lot. It makes me giggle. It kind of reminds me of Ruddy a little bit. He doesn't like baths very much either. But Harry ended up happy at the end because then his family recognized him. He did get his bath. Nice work. I see that there. A skills board. Okay, so we've got some words that start with and b, book, baby, ball. Cool. Now, here's a question, Gianna. Apple. Do you think short A or long A? If you said short, you've got it. And then ape. Ape. Short A or long A sound? If you said long A, nice work, Gianna. On your weather watching, so you've got some gray clouds. Looks like it might have even been a little bit windy that day. Cool. I can tell it might have even been a little chilly. It looks like you're wearing a jacket and pants and maybe some boots. Nice details. And some subtraction work. Good. Looks like you're using the cross out method. What a great strategy for solving a subtraction problem. All right, Gianna, so that's my feedback on your work. You are doing an amazing job. Your mommy said you've been a little bit sad that we haven't been able to be in school, and I just want to tell you that that is okay to feel that way. Miss Ennis feels a lot sad that we're not at school either. But Gianna, we're gonna make the best of this. You're enjoying time with your family. Miss Ennis is still here for you. You can send me your work. You can send a message and mom will give it to me and I promise I will get back to you. I miss you very much, you and all of our class. So it's definitely okay to have those feelings, but it's going to make it even better when we get to go back to school, whenever that may be. So have a great weekend, Gianna, and I look forward to seeing your work next week. Take care.